Live special inside Beehive, Kew Gardens. Some of the sunny weather, UK 24 like here, the sun's on the right side screen right now. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's a replica of inside, like it's inside a beehive, what it is like inside a beehive. Wow. I hope that doesn't make you too dizzy. Please subscribe on Sunday Jobbers. I travel places, I go places. This is my friend Sparky and Jim every Friday, 3 to 5 p.m, 9 to 5 p.m. So Hill's radio station every Friday. With my friend Sparky Jim. This is my friend Shane Libus in the Loop every Friday at 10 to 12 p.m. So Hill's radio every Friday, Libus in the Loop. And this is my friend John the Last Show every Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. live on the Wake Machine. Last Show. Thanks for Sunday.